WebRadar is a reporting solution for anyone who's responsible for getting content online and overseeing their site's content production process. Whether you're a marketing manager, content manager, or system administrator, WebRadar will help you gain insights into the supply of content to your website. WebRadar enables you to get an overview of the content production for your site and helps you identify problems and bottlenecks in your process and fix them with powerful editing capabilities. This is the WebRadar dashboard. As a marketing manager, it provides me with an immediate overview of my website. I can immediately see any reports of content that is scheduled to be published or expire within the next month. I can also see where my content is within my repository. Without WebRadar, this information would take me hours to retrieve from my system. The dashboard also provides me with fast access to reports that I commonly use within the system. The dashboard here lists the reports that I use most often, the reports that I've most recently created, and the reports that I've most recently used. Today, I know that we're announcing a major new product line, and that as the digital marketing manager, I need to ensure that content is going to publish on time. The dashboard shows me the content I expect to go live is ready. However, I need a little more detail on the campaign. From the dashboard, I can easily get more detail by simply clicking on the report name. Here, I have access to the full information on the report. I can see all the items that are scheduled for publication in the near future, and I've noticed there's an item here that I would actually like to be published sooner. All I need to do to edit this individual item is click on the name of the item, and if I have permissions, WebRadar will link me directly to the editing page for that item. Once in the editing interface, I can change the publication date and save the changes back to WCM. As the digital marketing manager, I need more than just a single report to ensure that our website marketing initiatives are running smoothly. Here on the Saved Reports screen, I can see a variety of out-of-the-box reports that WebRadar provides me. All of these reports can be reused at any time or extended and used as the basis for new reports. Today though, I need to find something more specific, so I'm going to generate a new report. WebRadar enables me to combine any of 19 different metadata fields. I can use these to construct a variety of reports. Based on the feedback from our content approvers, I know that our system has a lot of abandoned drafts for old promotions in it. These items are appearing in people's assigned content items and causing a lot of confusion. Today, I want to find all of those content items and reassign them to one of my authors who have asked to review the content. To start with, I need to construct a new report to find abandoned content items. Firstly, I select the promotional area of the website where the content items are. I do this by selecting a site area criteria, and then I type in promotions to search for that site area. Then I define that all of these items are currently in a draft state and therefore not published on my site. Finally, I add a modified date condition. In this case, I want to find content items that have been abandoned, and therefore I'm going to equate that to not being edited in the last 30 days. In running these reports, the resulting list of content items are all the abandoned drafts within the promotions site area. This report is going to be fairly useful for me to run in future, so I'm going to save this to my list of saved reports. That way I'll be able to rerun it anytime I like. All I need to do here is provide it a name, and press save. I still need to assign all of these content items to a new content author to ensure that they're reviewed. Rather than edit the content items individually, in this case I'm going to use WebRadar's multi-edit capabilities. Here, I just need to select which content items I wish to edit. In this case, I want to edit all of the content items, so I click on the Edit All button. WebRadar enables me to perform edits on several fields of multiple content items all at once. As with the Report Generator interface, all I need to do is select the field or fields I wish to change and then how I wish to update them. In this case, I want to add a new author to the list of authors who have access to these content items. So I select the author field, the add operation, and here I want to add the author Dylan Just. I then press on the Review Changes button, which allows me to review the changes that I'm going to make to these content items, and then commit these changes to the repository. WebRadar will then perform each of the updates required, provided that I have the permission to edit those content items. Once the multi-edit is performed, I will see the success or failure of the items that I've updated. Whether you're a marketing manager, a content administrator, or a system administrator, WebRadar gives you an immediate overview of your web content management system. In minutes, you can perform reports and multi-edits that will enable you to resolve the bottlenecks in your web production process. If you'd like to know more about how WebRadar can help you optimize your web production process, you can get in touch with Ephox or download a free trial via our website, webradarwcm.com.